it through the rain. Watch the third that was on my name. Real nigga and I still remain. Gotta change, I can't stay the same. All of the days I was in the dumps, I lost it right after I ran it up. I lost my boy, I was sad as fuck. Then right after I was hell-bent. But all that beefing is irrelevant. I'm trying to get some money with intelligence. Got me a pack of mooches like the president. Run up a bet, but this time I ain't losing it. My mind is clear about the stupid shit. I'm still in love, I'm on some Cupid shit. All I wanted was a lot of green. I got racks busting out the Robin J's. I done made it through the rain. I was in the mud, searching for God, I was in the mud. You try to take it, you catch a slug. I lost my freedom, then bossed up. I know niggas who can't get it right. Do the crime, you might pay the price. It's the price of life that we sacrifice. Free all the real guys in the pen. Ayy, that won't ever see their freedom again. Ayy, how can we do right in this life? Ayy, when we living in a world full of sin. Ayy, get on the right track with your God. Do the right thing, you gotta repent. How ironic is it that it's a day for the end as soon as it began? I done made it through the rain, out to the sunlight. If I was you, I would avoid the rain, cause that shit ain't nothing nice. All my guys tryna make it through, gotta keep going, you gotta put up a fight. I done lost soldiers in that rain, don't think that it's not nice. We got chops with the beam, please don't make a scene, we clicking the flashlight. He got chopped on the scene, these niggas don't act right.